we understand that where Spectrum is going and where we will be 5, 10 years from now looks very different than where we are today. And we needed a candidate who was able to see that and who was able to articulate what that meant and where he or she would be able to take us. And Tina was able to do that in the interviews.
And Tina just stood head and shoulders above some really, really qualified people.
She's very courageous, I would say, in terms of how she makes decisions. She's willing to make difficult decisions that are important to move us in the direction that we need to go to, especially in the environment of healthcare within this country that's changing and very dynamic.
She's a very good cultural fit for West Michigan. She knows our community. She knows our values, and she really is concerned about the health of the community.
And she's willing to allow the community input into her decisions. I think that's going to serve her very well, as this is a community-owned asset.
You know, Grand Rapids really has revitalized and moved forward the way that we have as a result of the philanthropy, and she gets that.
She really has a holistic view of healthcare, and she recognizes the changing dynamics of the field, and that there's a lot of work to be done, but there's also incredible opportunity to be more innovative and creative to better meet the needs of individuals that Spectrum is serving.
Tina has already, in her role as COO, made some important decisions, made good selections in terms of who she brought into leadership.
And when we look at the results of those decisions, it's been fantastic. She's really made great personnel decisions and directional decisions, and shown us that she really knows how to make that happen.
She's the kind of person who takes the time to, gather information and to really put it together into ways of how she can serve, the broader community.
I think Tina will do a great job with the physicians. She has a lot of respect and understanding for the physicians, and certainly in the last year and a half, as she's taken on more and more responsibility, she's had that opportunity to interact with them more and more.
So the CEO that can engage and extract all the knowledge that those people have to make us a better organization, which Tina has. I mean, she is great at that.
She's going to take us to another level. Her ability to collaborate and to partner, I think, is going to be fantastic for us. I think it's really going to set us up to where we want to go.
Tina understood that part of engaging the physicians is certainly one, engaging the physicians that we currently have, but then recruiting and retaining the best student doctors, resident physicians, and ultimately future faculty. So really recognizing the importance of all of those aspects.
What I've seen and what I've been very impressed by is Tina working together with the hospital group and Priority Health and the medical group.
What she represents with her vision and her excitement and passion for West Michigan and Spectrum Health, it'll be easy to stand behind her.
I am so supportive of her, and I'm so looking forward to working with Tina going forward. And I'm very excited for the community and for Spectrum Health that Tina has been chosen.
She is a very authentic individual who I think it shows when you're in her presence. And so I think that the community and all of the 26,000 employees, I think we're in for a real treat.
But I think what sets her apart to effectively lead Spectrum Health is her true desire to settle in with us and to live and work alongside of us and to sweat and struggle with us and to celebrate success with us. And I think that captures leadership right there, and she'll do that.
Tina, I just want to say congratulations. You are the best candidate for this job. I have never doubted for a second that you would be a fabulous leader of Spectrum Health. And I know from watching you in your interactions with people in the community and with your staff, you are going to do a great job.
I hope you take us higher and higher, and that Spectrum Health will continue to grow.
Congratulations, Tina. I think we've made a wonderful choice in you to be the next CEO at Spectrum Health.
Hey, Tina, congratulations. You are perfect for this job, and we can't wait to see you in action.
You were the very best person in this country to lead the system today and for the next 10 years minimum, Tina.
There's a Malawian proverb that says, "He who thinks he is leading and has no one following him is only taking a walk." If it's one thing I'm sure of, is that you will not be taking many walks. I believe that there will be countless folks who will follow you, who will recognize your vision, and who will recognize, most importantly, your authenticity. So I couldn't be happier. I'm excited. And as the young folks say, let's go.